Did you know the first recorded deaths in the early church weren't from persecution, but from lying to God? This is the terrifying true story of Ananias and Sapphira. In the early days after Jesus rose from the dead, believers in Jerusalem were filled with incredible joy and generosity. They sold their houses and land, bringing all the money to the apostles to help anyone in need. It was beautiful chaos of radical love. But one married couple, Ananias and Sapphira, hatched a secret plan. They sold their property but decided to keep some money for themselves while pretending to give everything to the church. When Ananias brought the partial amount to Peter, something supernatural happened. Peter looked straight at him and said, "Why has Satan filled your heart to lie to the Holy Spirit? You haven't lied to men, but to God himself." Instantly, Ananias collapsed and died. 3 hours later, Sapphira arrived, completely unaware her husband was dead. She repeated the same lie to Peter. The moment she spoke those words, she too dropped dead. Great fear fell upon everyone who heard about this.